At Viking Plastics, we offer a variety of secondary processes, including pad printing and hot stamping for your custom needs. First, let's discuss the pad printing process. Pad printing is a technology that is employed to provide marking on parts. The process of pad printing involves the machine, a cliché, which is the graphic, a silicone pad, and ink. At Viking Plastics, pad printing is a static decoration process. We're putting the same artwork in the same location on each part from the cliché being utilized. As the customer, you're able to choose any color and most artworks for the printing process. Now onto hot stamping. Hot stamping is a printing method where foils are adhered to the part at a very high temperature. The hot stamping machine presses the foil sandwiched in between the heat platen and raised surface, decorating the raised areas. Hot stamping is applied to raised surfaces with a recommended height of at least 1/32 of an inch. Since the materials involved are dry, hot stamping is odor-free and requires no drying time to slow down production. Like pad printing, hot stamping is a static process. We put the same artwork in the same location on each part. Both pad printing and hot stamping are cost-effective as the equipment costs are lower versus other printing systems. Pad printing and hot stamping can be used to give a customer information, apply a serial number, highlight your brand on an assembly, and more. Call us to discuss your next pad printing or hot stamping application or add some excitement to a current project.